have been driving BMWs from BMW of Bakersfield for over 14 years now. BMW of Bakersfield, they make you feel like family. Not only have we all become friends, but when I come here, I know that they have my best interest at heart, and I'm very picky, but they know how to work with people like me and give me really what I want and need. I absolutely recommend BMW of Bakersfield to my friends and family. They don't just show you bells and whistles like a lot of dealerships do. They really listen about what you want and they deliver, which is what I like. I don't like words, I like action, and they deliver on everything that I've ever needed here. Shopping local and keeping things local is huge to me. As a Bakersfield native, I've really noticed that BMW of Bakersfield really gives back to the community. They're constantly involved with so many different charities, and you see their name everywhere, but I believe it's because they really believe in giving back locally and being proud that they're from Bakersfield.